let's make a super quick and easy ear cuff together. You will need some wire. I am using 0.8mm, and you will need some pliers. I've got some Needlenose pliers and I've got some round nose pliers, and I need some cutters as well. Let's just make sure that our ends are flush. It's a bit spiky here, so clip, clip, and why don't we just give it a quick check your ends, make sure they're not scratchy because we're going on your ears. There we go. Okay, that's super quick. Got 10 centimeters, so take the end, curl it, and squish it. Straighten it out. Put it on your ruler. Just straighten it out. On your ruler at 9 centimeters, so that we can find 6. So you want 3 centimeters. I'm just going to go straighten it out. And then go again. You want to go boop. Super simple. And then we just do same on this side. Curl it in. Perfect. And you've got your zigzag. Okay, so you can use something like a pen, anything really. It's got a bit of girth. You're going to wind it around. I'm going to use my bell maker. It's a 6-step bell maker. I'm going to use the largest one. So I'm just going to grab it here, pull it round, and then in between, I'm just going to grip the ends to make them properly rounded. So you see the difference? Just flip that over, do the same. And there you have a 3-strand, super simple ear cuff. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick one. If you liked, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.